Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be filming a really requested video and something I actually just saw Alexa Sunshine film, so I guess kind of inspired by her to make me actually film it. But I had you guys DM me on Instagram either clothing pieces you regret buying or pieces you just don't know how to style, and I'm going to show you how I would style them. The reason we're sitting at my computer is because I think you guys would enjoy visuals, and I obviously don't have a lot of these products. We're gonna have to look them up online or use you guys' photos, and I'll show you like a outfit mood board, like polyvore type beat. And I really like the directions of these videos because I love giving you guys inspo and showing you guys endless amounts of outfits, but I love the idea of not actually having to own the physical items. And maybe you guys do, but I can still show you how to style them or show you different outfits without so much consumption, which I'm always for. So let's just get into it. Okay, so obviously I wasn't able to pick all of them, but I tried to pick things that more than one person requested. Something I got requested actually so much were long like maxi dresses or maxi skirts, but I mostly got maxi dresses. So I want to show you guys how I would style a maxi dress. And people were saying like without looking overly dressed up or Amish. Let me just search maxi dress and see what comes up. I want to do like a pretty basic one that I think most people have or would be easy to thrift. Right when I think of maxi dresses, I think of the Realization Par ones. And honestly, those are just like, let me show you. They're just expensive, so I don't think I want to show a Realization Par dress. This is such like a basic cut of a dress that I think a lot of you could find at the thrift store. Like especially this one's so cute. Look how she styled it. I mean, do I even have to do this video? Okay, so we could do this dress, but it's $220. But literally, you can find it at the thrift store. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna use that Reformation dress. Also, I like that there's no model behind it, so we can just see the plain dress and work with that, and we're not working with just like a pretty person. So the reason I picked this dress and I was being so picky about it is because if something you're worried about is looking too conservative or not feminine or whatever in a maxi dress, because it does cover so much of your body, you don't have to find one that's necessarily bodycon, but I have a few dresses like this from the thrift store, so again, you do not need to buy it from Realization Par and spend $220 on it. I just can't find anything on the internet. You want to find one that does still have some bit of shape to it. So this will probably be a little bit tighter on your hips, but it will still be loose around your waist and your legs, obviously. It's almost kind of like a mermaid fit, but they tend to be really, really flattering, still super comfortable. And also, if you want it to be a little bit more fun and playful, looking for one with a print like this polka dot one, it's still pretty like basic. It's not really out there or anything, but it makes it, again, a little bit more youthful and playful so you don't feel like a grandma. Spaghetti straps is also a really great way to go. That's something you're worried about, so that's what I was looking for in a midi dress. Now, let's dress it down. I would personally do cowboy boots, so maybe we do two, but I also think like sneakers would be really good. Sometimes I go on Essence, which is, they probably have really cute dresses. Essence, and I go to their sneakers because they don't only have expensive sneakers, they also have just normal ones. They're just like selected. They pick the coolest ones from the websites, basically. So we could do like a cheap pair of sneakers. What color is this dress? It's black and yellow. So honestly, a white pair of sneakers could work. If I were to do this, honestly, I already know, I don't know why I was looking through that. I do black sambas, and I actually like the vegan black sambas. Like, these are cute, but these ones are really cute. So let's add the vegan black sambas. I have the white the white vegan sambas. I think the lighting just looks off. You know what, maybe I do want the regular ones, because that gray is throwing me off. Or we could do they not have the white ones? Yeah, okay, the white one looks the white ones look cute with that. And then I would do some little white tube socks. But I like them, what's that called? They're like a little bit shorter. An ankle sock. This looks funny on my mood board, but you need the little white ankle socks. That literally makes it so much cuter. And then I would add just like layered gold jewelry. I don't really feel like finding a bunch of individual pieces, so I might just go on Pinterest. Because it's just like, I'm sure most of you guys have like a bunch of gold necklaces or silver necklaces, whatever you wear. But I kind of want them to be chunky. Or something like this. Like just a bunch of gold jewelry. This is such a basic outfit, you guys, but I swear it would be cute. This is something I would definitely wear, and I feel like I've showed you guys it before, so. Okay, and then what sunglasses? I'm gonna go back to Essence. Always low to high, balling on budget. These are cute. These are cute. They're Nike. Why would these kind of be really cool with that outfit? Like just to make it a little bit more trendy. It's already really trendy. And young. Oh my god, these sunglasses are freaking cool. Why do I not shop on Essence when I'm actually shopping? Okay, I think those kind of like sportier ones. You guys might think these are really ugly. These are Nike. They're so cool. I feel like these would look really, really cool with this outfit. It would add just like that youthful tempting. I feel like that's done. Like that was so easy. Oh wait, a purse. I kind of think a pop of green purse. I don't want to look on, I don't know where to look for bags. My Marc Jacobs bag I just got would be pretty cute. Probably what I'd pair in real life. Let's see if there's any little green baggies I like. This is cute, but like they're so expensive. Oh, like a little tote. Actually, you know it'd be cute that I want to buy? You guys know I'm obsessed with Orson Iris, but just the little round tote bag would be very, very cute. Okay. Oh my god, yeah, this is it. Super cash, cute, and there's the first outfit. Yay. Should I do another one with cowboy boots and just dress it a little bit differently? I feel like this took so long. Fine. You know where the best cowboy boots are? Boot Barn. They sell Jeffrey Campbell boots on Boot Barn. Why is that so funny to me? But also, why would those blue boots look so cool? Was not planning on doing this, but now we're gonna add some fun boots. I bet some of you guys have these boots. Do these match? No. Do I like it? I think the green ones would be better. Yeah, yeah. Who took these photos? They look weird. Okay, I love it. I don't know if you guys are gonna like that. But honestly, we could add this little, let's do a like Telfar, because I feel like honestly even that like canvas tote was like a little bit too much going on, but keeping just like a black bag would look nice. I don't even think you need like really any accessories. Like you could do sunglasses, maybe some black sunglasses. Let's just do black Wayfarers. Wayfarer, is that what it's called? Oh shoot, I should have been saving all these links because I want you guys to be able to shop them. Everything I talk about will be linked in the book description box. And there's a very different version of the last outfit, making, instead of like the dress the focal point, it is definitely the boots are the focal point. But I think if you choose like one focal point thing, pretty easy to dress around it, and it doesn't always again have to be your biggest piece. Okay, something else that I got a lot, which was really surprising to me, were white jeans. So I've said this before, if you're gonna get white jeans, I suggest getting a pair of white baggy long jeans. I got mine from ASOS so long ago, so let's see if they're on here. When I think of like white capris or white skinny jeans, they just feel very, very, very outdated to me. So I really like just like a baggy pair of white jeans. So that's the first thing we're gonna do, are these little jeans. Very cute. And let's style around them. My favorite way to wear a pair of white jeans is with like a monochromatic look, and I like wearing like baggy jeans with a baggy top, so I'm gonna look for a white. You know what actually has really cute graphic tees? Abercrombie, the men's section. Men's top t-shirts And they're nice quality. Did I already say that? Like, these are cute. That Bronco one's cute. I love a pop of yellow. I don't really like the front, but I'm just gonna screenshot the back. This will look so cute with our jeans. You guys think I'm dumb? I just don't like using all these products from different places because the lighting is so different. Like, why is this so warm tone compared to ASOS? Would we just do our little sambas again? We could. And let's just use what we already have, right? Because realistically, you're not buying a new pair of sneakers for each outfit. So we're gonna add our sambas. Do I want these ones or do I want black? No, let's do these ones. And then let's do like green or a blue purse. Petite over the shoulder bag, which is why like I'm leaning towards this. Honestly, that could be cute. And then also I think would be really cool with this is a pair of like really sporty sunglasses. I don't know if you guys would like these, but I think with like an all white outfit, they'd be cool. These are kind of cool too. I know they'd look butt ugly on my face, but we're gonna go with these ones because we're just trying to add a little pop color. Oh my god, I love it. I can already tell. And that's how I'd style some white jeans. All white outfit with some colorful accessories. On to the next. Okay, a midi jean skirt. I got this one a lot too because they're super trendy. A midi jean skirt that's a bit more A-line. This is cute to be like trendy girl, but I don't really like that. I like a darker wash, surprisingly. This one's not a bad price, so I keep forgetting to link everything. So we have this one from Mango that's darker, which I like, and it's got a really nice slit. Or this J.Ing, I've never heard of this brand. Like, that's a fun trendy skirt. Let's stick with this one. I don't have a midi denim skirt because I also think that it's kind of hard to style. I've recently not cared about looking super conservative. I kind of like that look. So I would pair this like with a super baggy graphic tee and like some cowboy boots, and I think that would be a really cute, fun look. But I just don't think that's what people are gonna be wanting. I wish this was low-waisted. I think that could help it not look so like teachery. Those exist. Okay, so that doesn't exist. If I was to buy this, I'd buy it in a bigger size and just pull it lower on my hips because I think that would just be a lot more like 2000s cool girl and less kindergarten teacher. So with that, I think like a tie front top that kind of goes like this would be really, really flattering for your figure because I do feel like in the denim skirt you lose a lot of your figure, and you could obviously go with like a super micro top, but I'm never ever ever comfortable in that. So let's do a tie front top and see what happens. Okay, this one from Princess Polly's pretty cute. It's actually really cute. I would get it in a lot smaller of a size. Wow, people like it. So I'd probably get it in like size 0 because it's a little bit loosey on her and I want it tighter. And then this one's from Urban. It's 50% off. Dang, it's cute too. Not styled like that. No, that looks so bad. I just wish they had it on the model without like so much underneath. It's really distracting me from the top. Let me search sheer tie front top because that seems to be what I like a little bit better. Oh, Forever 21. But okay, if the tie is up too high, it looks stupid. It has to be right in the middle. Adika, I thought this store like sucked. Why is that really cute? That looks like Realization Par. So I'm gonna take this one actually. Awesome, and that one is only 30 bucks, so we love it. I think that will be so cute together. I really like how that looks. Now, do I want to play more into this 90s feeling and do like a black kitten heel and kind of dress it up? Or do I want to kind of try and dress it down? Black kitten heel would be adorable, but what's actually going to make your leg look longer in this type of skirt is something that doesn't cut off your leg more than the skirt already does. So I just kind of want to keep it one big long thing of me being covered in fabric, and I think I want to do cowboy boots. Sorry, but that's how I'd wear it. I like the Steve Madden cowboy boots, so I think I'm just gonna take one of these. I hate pop-ups with my whole heart. Okay, and then what purse would I do with this? I think something mini. Black would be safe, but let's do red. I don't know how I feel about this. It'd look better on. Okay, next. Okay, a lot of you also were having issues with corsets. Let's find a corset to style. And I already know how I'm gonna style it. Okay, so When you guys say corsets, maybe you mean bustiers, because that's normally people are selling, not really corset. I really like how this girl is styling it. There's something about like this cut is just so flattering, having it in and then out. This is a corset, it's just, I want this. I know this doesn't look like your typical corset, but like if we look at the other colors, like it really is. I mean, it's a bustier. This cut is amazing. Let's start with this little girly. Cute. What am I gonna pair it with? Only my favorite pants that I can't stop wearing, the Peachy Den Mimi pants. And I love the look of literally how they have it styled, like right here. The kitten heels, the fancy purse, and then like maybe we do the like kind of corresponding color, or the like bright blue would be fun. Let's do bright blue, because if I get another pair, these are the ones I'm gonna get. I just love them. And as you can see, they have some size. This one they have every single size left, but a lot of them they have sizes left. So if you've been wanting those, if you don't want to spend the money though, Mountain Hardwear, look it up on Poshmark, eBay, Depop, literally exact dupes of these pants. And that's what I used to have, but the Mountain Hardwear ones, they work if you don't have thick thighs. And it might not look like I have thick thighs, but compared to my waist, my thighs are pretty thick. So they're like tight on my thighs and baggy on my calves. So they just don't work right. Oh my god, I love this. I'm gonna buy this right after this entire outfit. So let's do a pointed toe. Sometimes this is how I find things online. Whenever you guys are like, how did you find that? I just search it. Normally things come up. I might change everything. These are so cute. These are so cute. What is this brand, Ray? I hate that they only have 2 sizes left, but I think this could be fun. Blue and blue. We're just gonna be a little crazy. Oh my god, I love how this is turning out. These pants just prove to be amazing, and these shoes are so cute. Maybe then we do, you know, it'd be cute. I literally might go and buy these pants, so I'm gonna keep that open. Wouldn't it be so fun to get dressed like this, where you're like, oh, what's that thing? And you just pick it out and then you get to use it. This was kind of the bag that I was thinking would be cute. They have so many cute bags, like so fun. They don't feel very practical. I am practical, that's why none of these would ever work for me. But I really like them, I love these bags. But I'm not being realistic here. I think that this will make it a little bit more cash. You would never think that that's the purse. I like this outfit. It's like mismatch or whatever, but I think that's how I'd style a corset. I forgot that that was the whole point of this styling outfit. I think corsets can feel super like trendy and fast fashion when you wear them in a way of like, I'm gonna wear them with a baggy pair of jeans and sneakers, because you're making the corset do all the work, when really the corset should just be your top. Like, don't put all the emphasis on the corset. Treat it as just like a tank top, or I don't know, like, yeah, you're styling around it, but it doesn't have to be the center focal point. And I think that's how to make any trend really last longer, is like, yeah, I'm wearing this piece that isn't trendy anymore, but like I'm making it work so well because I'm not putting all of my faith into that piece. I know how to style an outfit. Not that I do. I bet a lot of you wouldn't like this outfit, but I would wear this outfit and oh, I'd love it. I'm literally gonna, I want everything from here. If those shoes are in my size, I'd get them. You guys, the video's getting so long already, and I'm sorry, but I think I'm gonna end it there. And if you guys want this video again, let me know in the comments, because I still have so many screenshots of your guys' messages of things you want me to style. If you guys want me to style more specific pieces that, like, you guys sent me some really specific pieces that you own, I can do that, but I thought making it more broad this time would be better. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days.